I'm also just still trying to prove myself, like what Inigo said. Tama na hindi mawawala ever kami sa shadow nila. Pero that's not our focus. Siguro our focus is just to do our best and make a name for ourselves.
Thank you.
May 13 tayo.
Okay. MJ, okay, very good. From this Manila, you have a question? Ayan, si Manila na have that, push that on that page.
Hi guys. You used to refer to Inigo as your partner in crime this year. Now you said that he was going to be your partner in crime this year. Can you explain again why you said that?
Because clearly, he's my love team here, and then he's my love team in the next soap, and then we might actually go movie together also. So really, siya ang magiging partner ko this whole year, and hopefully longer, and I feel like siya ang partner ko, you know, not only in terms of show business, pero also, you know, comes to our personal lives.
Yung mga dub smash videos, whose idea was it to do those?
Because he posted a photo of us yesterday, and at the same time, he saw this comment, make a dub slash please, and we said at the same time, let's make a dub slash. And then we did 3, I posted all 3.
Thank you.
We didn't post any.
I was editing this because I want my feed a certain amount.
Oh, why don't you sa Instagram feed niya kasi?
Kasi may mga vlogs mo siya hindi nagsisync yung posts, di ba? So you want it perfect, gano'n.
Perfect naman ito.
Sa'yo.
Perfect naman diba?
Perfect ba? What do they dance na? What do they do?
My favorite is the Nemo.
Okay.
That's everybody's favorite.
Okay. Go ahead.
Because your movie stars a hopeless romantic, but what about those people who aren't hopeless romantics? What can they get from the movie? Like, how would you encourage them to watch it as well?
I guess they can relate dahil hindi naman kailangan na hopeless romantic. Dahil ito, makikita mo yung
Paano hopeless romantics, you have to see it, you know.
paano yung story ni Becca, paano niya gagamitin yung pinagdaanan niya to turn into something positive. Dahil nasulat niya yung story namin ni Maria because of her.
It was her outlet, kumbaga. Yung pagsusulat niya was her outlet sa mga pinagdaanan niya. No, they will be able to relate, and the people who are not hopeless romantics will be able to see how it is to be a hopeless romantic. It's okay to see that side.
Last question. It's Mother's Day on Sunday. What do you guys plan to do?
Yeah. I'm definitely gonna go somewhere around. I don't think I have any. After
Big promo natin sa Sunday.
Actually, ang dami natin sa Sunday. Siguro after na. Pero,
Mga 11 o'clock na ng gabi yun.
1 hour lang, spend with her.
Pero kasi with her the whole day naman. So,
Definitely you'll make plans
yeah.
for travel. June?
Yeah, same. After ng mall shows natin, agad-agad uwi na kay mom.
Do you have a new place na? Meron ba? Tama ba ako? Do you have a new bahay? Or a rest house that you
Ay,
purchase?
kasi sa yun, that rest house namin yun. Sila pa ni Papa.
Okay. Inano lang, pinaganda.
Matagal na yun.
Matagal na. Okay. More questions, please? Okay. Si Ruel. Dito si Lisa, say your name.
Hi guys, Wen from starcinema.com.ph. Diba yung nasa trailer kasi ng Para sa Hopeless Romantic, sabi, you should write your own love story. Pero kayo sa inyong dalawa, do you believe na tayo dapat yung gumagawa ng love story natin? Or do you believe in fate na parang things will just fall into place when it comes to love?
I think parang both is needed. Kasi when you just let destiny happen and you let whatever is happening, you're basically writing your own story. I mean, you always have choices you have to make, pero when you do that, parang destiny pa rin yun dahil it's still gonna lead you where you're supposed to be at, and you're just writing your story at the same time.
Julia. Ako, I believe in fate, and I believe in destiny, I believe in it's meant to be, it will be. Pero never let go of your values, yung mga kung anong deserve mo. Diba? Pero